Mustafizur Rahman, a young sensation fast bowler from Bangladesh who is especially reputed for bowling his cutter deliveries. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mystery Solving School, and today I am going to make an analysis video on Bangladeshi pace bowler sensation Mustafizur Rahman. I will reveal the kinds of variations he has and how he holds his deliveries and bowls those, including his cutter. So if you have been trying to be a bowler like Mustafizur Rahman, watch this video till the end. I think by the end of this video, you are going to be very benefited. So I have gone through a long analysis on Mustafizur Rahman's all bowling videos that are existing on YouTube, and what I found, Mustafizur Rahman has overall 5 variations. Now the main delivery of Mustafizur Rahman, stock delivery, should be that is his quick delivery, pace delivery, and normally he can bowl very quick. Normally his delivery exceeds to 140 kilometers per hour. Most of the time he is very good in bowling this delivery. Now when a left arm pace bowler will bowl this delivery, normally if you have seen Mitchell Stark, Trent Bolt, Pakistani Shaheen Shah Afridi, they have the ability to swing the ball, and normally they swing the ball into the right-handed batsman. And Mustafizur Rahman didn't have this ability when he started his career, and probably you know that his cutter deliveries go from right-handed batsman. So when he started his career, he didn't have the ability to bring the ball into right-handed batsman, and probably you have heard many legendary fast bowlers, including Washing Akram, saying that Mustafizur has to learn how to bring the ball into right-handed batsman, because his cutter is going from right-handed batsman. If he can bring the ball into right-handed batsman, his ball will move in both sides, and this will bring him more advantage to pick wickets. So when he started his career, he didn't have this ability, but nowadays I have seen him trying to bowl, trying to swing in the ball. Although his ball doesn't swing a lot into right-handed batsman, which is an in swing to Mustafiz, but I think he has started developing this delivery, and day by day he will develop this delivery. So quick delivery along with swing is his stock delivery, you can say that. The second delivery and the most dangerous delivery of Mustafizur Rahman is his cutter delivery. Few days ago I have already uploaded a video on Mustafizur Rahman's cutter delivery, and I described elaborately how he grips his cutter, how he bowls his cutter. But today one more time I am going to discuss about his cutter delivery. So what he does for bowling his cutter, this is his cutter delivery grip. As you can see, normally nowadays many fast bowlers bowl cutter, because cutter has become a mass delivery to do better in T20 cricket, and nowadays probably every fast bowler bowl cutter. But most of the fast bowler, how they bowl cutter, they ball off spin cutter in the off spin grip, like Chris Morris or any most of the fast bowlers, they ball cutter in this off spin grip. And normally what happens, this delivery becomes solo and turns little bit. But and Lasit Malinga or Jasprit Bumrah, Lasit Malinga used to bowl cutter like this way, using both fingers, and Bumrah also bowls cutter in this grip. And IPL sensation Harshal Patel, he has picked up lots of wickets in this recently finished IPL, this year's IPL, and he has also picked up lots of wickets by bowling this cutter, and he bowls cutter in this grip. But what I have seen, Mustafizur Rahman's cutter delivery is little bit different. And well, no, Mustafizur Rahman is probably the best for bowling a cutter delivery. And you have noticed, that Mustafizur Rahman's cutter delivery along with turn, his cutter delivery also jumps a lot. And normally what happens, he uses his wrist a lot for bowling his cutter deliveries. Probably when you will see him bowling cutter, you will notice that he gives his wrist position a flip like this way. He flips his wrist position like this way, and that means he uses his wrist a lot for bowling his cutter deliveries along with spinning the ball, and he grips the ball like this way. As you can see, what I am doing here, I am almost gripping the ball like off spin grip, but not almost like that. So he grips the ball like this way, but these fingers are also involved with this grip. Normally when I will grip the ball like the off spin grip, these fingers are not involved with the grip. But when Mustafizur Rahman grips his cutter delivery, these fingers, I mean overall wrist, is involved with this delivery, and he releases the ball like this way. He flips his wrist like this way, and his ball goes across like this, and it normally turns little bit, becomes slow and jumps. And in nowadays, what I have seen, sometimes his cutter delivery go across cross seam, sometimes cutter delivery go across seam. So he has been varying it. And when he started his career, that time almost all of his cutter deliveries used to go across cross seam, but nowadays he is varying it. So this is his cutter delivery and the most strongest delivery, and through this delivery he has been picking up lots of wickets. Now the next delivery of Mustafizur Rahman is his Yorker delivery. Mustafizur Rahman is very good in bowling Yorker. When he started his career, at that time he could bowl excellent Yorker, and we can forget the delivery that he picked a wicket of Andre Russell by bowling him. What was a Yorker that delivery was? Few years ago in a video I heard him saying that if he wants he can bowl 6 consecutive Yorker deliveries in a over. But at the middle part of his career, probably 2017, 18, 19 time, he probably resumed some importance over the cover and his Yorker deliveries, and put more emphasis on his cutter deliveries. But nowadays, I think he has started giving emphasis on his Yorker deliveries again, and nowadays he has been bowling excellent Yorker deliveries again. The fourth delivery of Mustafizur Rahman is his bouncer delivery. Although he doesn't bowl too many bouncers if not necessary, but it is not any different. Normally every fast bowler ball bouncer at any time of their career. The last and final delivery of Mustafizur Rahman, and that is also a newly included delivery of his armory, and that is a back of the hand solo delivery. Now it may seem to be a little bit stressful that what am I saying, that I probably haven't seen him bowling this kind of delivery. Actually this is a newly included delivery of his armory, and I first saw him trying to bowl this kind of delivery few days ago in the bilateral series between Bangladesh and New Zealand before the World Cup. And can you imagine the delivery that Mustafizur Rahman bowled a beamer, and that was a no ball, and Tom Latham of New Zealand batsman hit that boundary at his back for a 4. Actually, James Faulkner used to bowl this delivery back of the hand solo delivery, and nowadays pace bowlers are putting more emphasis on cutter deliveries and knuckle balls for the solo deliveries. But nowadays I haven't seen him too many fast bowlers trying to bowl this kind of delivery. But Mustafizur Rahman has started developing this delivery in T20 World Cup. I have seen him trying to bowl good, develop this delivery after that beamer. So how he bowls this delivery? He gives the ball like this seam up delivery, but he releases the ball like this way from the back of his hand, release the ball like almost a leg spin delivery. So what happens? Normally we will know he bowls cutter, and his off cutter deliveries turns away from right-handed batsman, but this ball will piece and it will become slow, and obviously it will get little bit turn into right-handed batsman. So what will happen? Obviously his ball won't swing with the new ball. So with the old ball, sorry. So when you will bowl slower deliveries, one off cutter will go away from right-handed batsman, and this back of the hand solo delivery will go into right-handed batsman. So the advantage he will get, that is, well, the mystery spinners can turn the ball into both ways. So his one delivery will come in, one will go, and the benefit he will get is he will get the advantage of a mystery spinners, because his deliveries will go in both sides, and once he will start bowling this delivery with excellent control, he will become more dangerous, I think. So this was overall my analysis on Mustafizur Rahman's bowling. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.